What's up, everybody? So today doesn't look like I got much done, but I did get the factory steering disconnected and out of the car. Heater boxes out of it, windshield wipers, that kind of stuff. I was hoping to get farther today, but the kids want to go swimming. And it's the weekend, so that's what we're going to do. Tomorrow I'll get up. I'm going to mark off the fender wells, start cutting them out, cutting off the factory frame rail stubs back to somewhere around there, about 4 inches in front of the K member or something like that. So anyway, got that much accomplished. Didn't get to weld today. Long story short, went to get to Tractor Supply to get a tank of gas for the new welder. Got the tank of gas, brought it home. They gave me straight argon. They had an argon tank accidentally in the 75-25 bin. So I went back, got a tank, exchanged it, got a tank of 75-25, and it's just a mix-up on their part. It's no big deal. But by the time I got home, I didn't feel like getting in welder gear and everything because I only had another hour or so that I could work this afternoon. So I decided not to weld anything today. So I'll do some welding tomorrow, hopefully. I know we'll be doing some plasma cutting tomorrow, obviously. So we'll get you some shots of the Cut 60 working tomorrow. But I just want to give you an update. This is where we're at the end of the day today. We'll tackle it again tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.